Hello guys, I'm at GIP Mall here. It's a wonderful evening for me. My mentor, Mr. Umesh Kumar, is with me, and he has his other two team members, Mr. Deepak and Mr. Vishal. And I have joined under Mr. Umesh Kumar in the Forever and at the Achievers Club. So I'm very happy to be part of this community, and the co-founder of Achievers Club is Mr. Krishna Arora and Mr. Rohit Arora. They have formed this Achievers Club, and it is indeed a brilliant concept. And I would love you guys to be also part of this Achievers Club, as well as the Forever community from all over the world. Forever products are aloe products. They are made with pure aloe vera, world number one aloe vera, which is grown in US Texas, and they have a plot of 50,000 acres where this highest quality aloe vera is grown, and then it is used in different products. Forever sells in over 170 countries out of 195 countries of this world, and Forever products are the world number one aloe vera products. You Google it and you see the Forever's name comes first on top of the list. They are into health products, they are into the toiletries, they are into other products which are used at home like honey and all those stuff. And it's a brilliant concept, brilliant brilliant idea to be part of this community, wherein you can earn a passive income of at least 15 to 20,000 per month if you join the club. And for joining the club, I'll put my name, my mobile number, my WhatsApp number. You can contact me. My name is Javed Hussain, and I've just joined a week back at Forever's. I'm not only a network marketer, I'm a digital marketer too. So I've been offered by Mr. Krishna Arora, who is the India head. He has offered me the job of digital marketer for Forever products. So my role here is doubled. First is the digital marketer for Forever products, and the second is my network marketing with them. So I'm absolutely delighted, absolutely blessed to be part of this community here, and I would love you guys also to join here, and I'll leave the detail in the bio. Please have a look, talk to me. I will be hands-on with you, tell you everything about it. You don't have to worry about your studies if you are studying, and if somebody is working, he doesn't have to worry about his or her job. This is, you can generate passive income by doing little bit of work like 2 to 3 hours or at least 2 hours of work, and you can start earning in the very first month with 15 to 20,000 rupees. That's a promise made. It's not a promise. You can, you have to come down to the Fortunes Noida head office where I sit, and you will meet me. Come prepared with your biodata, with your CV, and if you are good at Instagram, if you have a very lively Instagram account, that is an added advantage, because here Instagram is used excessively, and you have to do like digital marketing only. You'll have to create reels, you have to create posts, you have to create stories. Every day you have to do this stuff which you are doing anyway. You are doing all each and every day. So we will guide you. I will guide you. My team will guide you. My mentor, Mr. Umesh Kumar, will guide you. So you please have a look in the bio. Contact me on my WhatsApp number or call me straight away. I'm always available on my mobile. Thank you guys to be listening to this video, long video. I'm so sorry about that. But I would love you to come here and start earning passive income. Stop asking your parents for money. If you are earning, if you are a student and if you are earning 15 to 20,000 in a month through this forever scheme, Achievers Club scheme, so nothing better than that. Your parents will be proud of you. So do that, and same goes for the people who are into working 9 to 5 job. I mean, adding another 15, 20. This is just the starting. If you work really hard, you can go up to 1,20,000 rupees per month. That is the manager's level. And if you reach manager's level, which is not very difficult, within 6 months' time, if you work hard, you can reach the manager's level, and the assured amount which you get every month is like 1,25,000 to 1,30,000. Believe me guys, it's not a scam, it's nothing. You check about Forever products, Aloe products, make sure. And if you want, if you have any doubts about Forever, you can always call me, you can always talk to me, WhatsApp me. I'll send you the material, the videos and everything. You go through all those. It's not that you have to come here and join the company immediately. Make yourself comfortable first and then you join the company. Thank you very much.